If you're looking for a really tasty spiced rum cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a cocktail. It's called the Cable Car. Now this is a twist on the sidecar. It was created by Tony Abuganim at the Starlight Room in San Francisco in 1996. I came across this recipe in Steve the Bartender's book, so if you don't have that book, get out there and buy it or follow his channel. He's pretty cool. He's another fellow Australian YouTuber, but he's the big guns in Australia. And what I love about this cocktail is it's really simple to make. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to use 45 mils or ounce and a half of a spiced rum. So our spiced rum that we use as our house pour here at the 18th Amendment Bar in Geelong, and all of my venues is Sailor Jerry. So we're going to go 45 mils. Next up, 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of a orange curacao. I'm using Cointreau. Then 30 mils or an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Get that right, George. And last but not least, 15 mils or half an ounce of a simple syrup. We just make a 50-50 sugar to water ratio here at the 18th. Now, before I give that a bit of a shake, as you can see, I always like to chill down my glassware, but for the garnish on this one, it does have a cinnamon sugar rim, so just using a little bit of fruit. I'm using just a lime wedge at the moment. I want to just rim the outside of that glass, get that delicious cinnamon on there. Add a little bit of extra spice to this cocktail. It's the 1st of December. I hope you guys are all getting ready for Christmas this year. We will be posting some Christmas cocktails really shortly. Okay, so let's add some ice and give her a bit of a shake. Keep shaking until that shaker is nice and cold. Oh, I hate when the shaker doesn't open that first time for you. Makes you look like a little bit of a rookie in front of the customers or friends. We're just going to double strain that into a coupette or a cocktail glass. I can already smell that and the cinnamon sugar. Okay. That, my friends, is the Cable Car. Let's give it a try. Yum. All right. Delicious. What can I say? That cinnamon sugar really ties it off. The spice rum is definitely coming through. The lemon juice is balancing out the sugar syrup and the Cointreau. I think I prefer this than the original sidecar. In one of my videos a while ago when I did the sidecar, I mentioned the first time that I got to try one at Harry's New York Bar in Paris, and it was probably one of the worst sidecars I'd ever had. It was free poured, it was out of balance, but this one it's really, really good. Tony Abuganim has been around for a long time though, so I was lucky enough to see him in Australia many, many years ago. Get out there and give this one a try. It's definitely a big tick for me. So guys, please help our channel, subscribe. We're trying to build it, continue. We're getting close to the 450,000 views. We would love your help. It's free to just subscribe. Please give us a like too if you could. And we'll see you soon on Let's Talk Drinks.